I'm Lauren Rayleigh, studying ecology and conservation biology at Texas A&M University, and I'm doing a year-long study abroad option at UniSC. I decided to go to UniSC because I've always had my heart set on Australia. Found UniSC had the perfect mix of wildlife and nature and ecology program that had a lot of really unique courses that I was interested in. UniSC classes are very beneficial for my own learning experience because I found they're very hands-on. They really throw you in the lab and you actually get to learn it and experience it. My favorite part of living at the Sunshine Coast is that you're surrounded by nature everywhere you go. So you're 20 minutes drive from the beach, waterfalls, mountains, rainforest, even Everglades up in Noosa. Wonderful spot to really get out and experience all sorts of different ecosystems and areas. Through coming to UniSC, I was able to branch out and try some different things in the area. One of those was with Coexist Australia, an organization where we go do beach cleans and tree plantings. And so I help out with them as a media volunteer as well, which kind of combines the ecology and media side of things that I really enjoy. You should definitely study at UniSC if you're looking for an adventure, to get out and explore a new place. It's got a little bit of everything for everyone, especially if you love wildlife. I definitely recommend it.